500 years is a giant deal for Homer to be singing about something that went on around 1250 BC. How accurate can he really be based on the fact that you don't have the kind of historical documentation that we have in the modern world? 500 years for us is the Renaissance. In the Renaissance, there was no such thing yet as what we today call archaeology. That came hundreds of years later. Pretty much the only evidence you have for interpreting what went on in the Minoan period is archaeological finds. The archaeological discovery of the historicity, of the mysteriness of the things going on in Minoan and Mycenaean civilization didn't come to light until the 19th century of our era. So those in the Renaissance depended 100% on literature in order to say things about these earliest periods of Greek history. And the literature that they depended on was Homer. Okay, the Homeric epics, the Iliad and the Odyssey, that we're going to spend quite a lot of time looking at.